Welcome to this complete tutorial on Wave accounting. If you're a freelancer, small business owner, or entrepreneur looking for a free and powerful accounting tool, this video is for you. In this tutorial, we will cover everything from setting up your account to managing invoices, tracking expenses, and generating financial reports. Let's get started. Wave Accounting is a cloud-based financial software designed for small businesses. Unlike traditional accounting software, Wave offers a free, user-friendly platform that integrates invoicing, expense tracking, and banking all in one place. To begin, go to the Wave Accounting website at waveapps.com and sign up for a free account. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in your business details such as name, industry, and currency. Once your account is set up, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The Wave dashboard provides an overview of your finances, including cash flow, income, expenses, and invoices. It's designed to help you quickly see the financial health of your business, making it easy to manage everything from a single interface. Generating revenue is the heart of any business. Wave provides several features to help you manage your sales and payments efficiently. Estimates. Easily create and send estimates to potential clients. Once approved, these estimates can be converted into invoices with a single click. Invoices. Create professional invoices customized with your business logo and details. You can track sent, paid, and overdue invoices directly from Wave. Payment setup. Wave allows you to accept online payments via credit cards and bank transfers, making it easy for customers to pay you directly from their invoices. Recurring invoices. If you have clients on retainer or offer subscription-based services, you can automate billing with recurring invoices. Checkouts. Sell products or services online by creating checkout links, even if you don't have an e-commerce website. Customer statements. Generate statements for clients that summarize their invoices and payments, helping them stay on top of outstanding balances. Customers. Wave lets you manage your client list, storing contact details and transaction histories for easy tracking. Products and services. This section allows businesses to maintain a list of products they sell and services they offer, making it easy to add them to invoices and estimates. Properly managing this section helps businesses streamline sales and invoicing processes. The next is understanding purchases. Managing your expenses efficiently is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow. Wave helps simplify this process through its purchases, bills, and vendors sections. Purchases. This section helps you track business expenses and manage cash flow effectively. By categorizing your purchases, you can see exactly where your money is going and plan your budget accordingly. You can also upload receipts or link bank accounts to automatically import expenses. Bills. Wave allows you to enter and track upcoming payments to vendors, ensuring that you never miss a due date. You can manually add bills or upload invoices from suppliers, making it easy to monitor outstanding payments. Vendors. Having an organized vendor list allows you to streamline communication and payment processing. In Wave, you can store information about suppliers and business partners, keeping track of who you owe and what payments are due. Products and services. This feature lets you create a list of items you sell or services you provide. Instead of manually entering details every time, you can select predefined products and services, speeding up the invoicing process. Receipts. Keeping track of receipts is essential for accurate expense tracking and tax deductions. The Wave Receipts app allows you to scan and upload receipts directly into your account, ensuring that all expenses are properly documented and categorized for bookkeeping purposes. Next is accounting. Wave Accounting makes financial tracking easier by integrating banking and accounting features within its platform. Transactions. All income and expenses are recorded in the Transactions section. You can manually enter transactions or let Wave import them automatically from your linked accounts. Reconciliation. Matching imported transactions with bank statements is an important step in bookkeeping. Wave helps you reconcile your transactions to ensure your financial records are accurate and complete. Chart of accounts. A well-organized chart of accounts is essential for proper bookkeeping and tax reporting. Wave provides a standard chart of accounts that you can customize to fit your business needs. Hire a bookkeeper. If you need professional assistance, Wave offers bookkeeping services to help you manage your finances efficiently. Next is banking. Manage your bank transactions seamlessly. Wave allows you to view account balances, track deposits, and reconcile bank transactions, all within an integrated banking module. Connected accounts. Link your bank accounts to automatically import transactions, reducing manual data entry and improving accuracy. Payouts. Monitor and manage the funds deposited from your sales and online payments. Wave helps you track payouts, ensuring that deposits are received promptly and recorded accurately. Insurance. Although Wave doesn't offer direct insurance services, it enables you to track insurance-related expenses. This integration ensures that costs associated with business insurance are properly categorized and monitored. Next is payroll. Managing payroll accurately is crucial for any business with employees, and Wave's payroll features help automate and simplify this process. Although payroll is a paid feature, its comprehensive tools are designed to ensure that every aspect of employee compensation is handled smoothly and accurately. Run payroll. Wave automates the entire payroll process, from calculating wages and deductions to processing tax withholdings. Once you set up your payroll schedule, Wave automatically calculates net pay based on hours worked or salaries, applies the necessary tax rates, and processes direct deposits. The automation reduces errors and saves time, ensuring employees are paid accurately and on schedule. Employees. This section allows you to maintain detailed records for each employee. You can store personal details, salary information, and tax data securely. By having a centralized employee management system, you can easily update records, track changes in compensation, and ensure that all employee data is current, which is essential for compliance and reporting. Timesheets. For hourly employees or those whose pay depends on recorded work hours, the timesheets feature is invaluable. Employees can log their hours, and managers can review and approve timesheets before payroll processing. This not only ensures transparency, but also minimizes discrepancies in wage calculations. Integration with payroll means that approved timesheets are automatically factored into the payroll run, reducing manual entry and potential errors. Payroll transactions. Every payroll run generates detailed transaction records that capture gross wages, deductions, tax withholdings, and net pay. These records provide a clear audit trail and help with internal reviews, financial reporting, and compliance. By maintaining a comprehensive history of payroll transactions, you can easily reconcile payroll expenses with your overall accounting records. Taxes. Payroll processing involves calculating various taxes, such as federal, state, and local taxes, along with Social Security and Medicare contributions. Wave's payroll system is designed to handle these calculations automatically, ensuring that the right amounts are withheld. This reduces the risk of underpayment or overpayment, helping you remain compliant with tax regulations. Tax forms. At the end of the year or during periodic tax filings, Wave generates essential tax forms and reports based on your payroll data. These forms include summaries for tax filings, W-2s for employees, and other necessary documentation required by tax authorities. With these automatically generated forms, you can simplify the tax filing process and avoid the stress of manual data compilation. Reports. Access detailed reports, including profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow summaries to get insights into your business's financial health. Wave advisors. Need professional accounting or tax advice? Wave offers access to expert advisors to guide you through tax planning and financial management. Tax filing. In addition to generating tax forms, Wave supports the tax filing process by compiling all necessary payroll information into organized reports. These reports simplify your interactions with tax agencies, ensuring that all payroll-related taxes are accurately reported and filed on time. This reduces the administrative burden during tax season and helps you avoid potential penalties. That's it for this complete Wave accounting tutorial. Whether you're tracking expenses, sending invoices, or running reports, Wave offers powerful tools for small business accounting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.